Hey guys, we're here with another Will You Press the Button? Um, you will be a god. But nothing, everything will be more normal. You will be a god. Not everything being normal. The only thing that don't want to be normal is Donald Trump being president. Be a character in your favorite movie. But you're the only, but your character who dies first. I know. No, I don't like that. Why didn't I just do that before? Have a full-on case photographic memory. But every time you try to remember a sexual moment, it becomes twisted in the most disgusting and horrifying way. No. You bring the dead loved one back to life the age they died, and it'll be like they were never gone. But you must sacrifice that loved one to do so, and no one will remember them but you. No. Let's no.
What if it was that person that wanted to sacrifice again?
All diseases that our humanity both in the present and the future will it be cured. But you suffer from the most painful, horrific death ever imaginable. No, I don't. No, but then death. Why did you guys choose yes? Because they're crazy. All women in the world will perform any sexual acts you please. But all women in the world are highly fat and unattractive. First, no, because I wouldn't want any to perform any sexual acts. Fastest one in the world, but falls every other step. I don't know what that means. You get to live in your favorite video game universe, being whatever type of character you're making. But you will stay as a side character and you will be completely irrelevant to the main characters. Yes.
Being my favorite character in a video game makes sense. Being myself in Roblox,
You become beloved by the woman/man you always wanted, but you don't like she or he anymore. Shit. I don't know what this is going because I don't know what they're talking about. Your soulmate is happy they won't ever get sick and will live the life of their dreams. But it's because they aren't with you. You are hopelessly in love with them though. Somebody having more stuff, happy life than me is not what I want. You can have any car you like, anytime. But Hitler will ride shotgun every time. Nope. I'm not doing it. You become famous and loved by everyone, but your family hates you a lot. My family hating me is like, say for instance, my family just hate me too much, and they're like, oh no, I'm sorry, but we chose to bring you here because we think it's best for you.
And I'm like, you don't have that family anymore. They take it too far.
Never have to do chores again, laundry, dishes, etc. But they're always done by your mother who judges your life. She chooses while she does it.
No, I rather clean. You can change your hair color.
Spell color like that. At will. But your eyebrows are thin, lightly, poorly drawn with the black Sharpie.
I'm not getting my eyebrows colored by a Sharpie. You can go back to the time and to any year you want, but you won't remember a thing of the time you come from, except that you time travel. That's weird. No. It's a 50-50 chance. 50-50 chance. The only reason why I say no is because, like, you time traveling at that moment. Say, for instance, you just time travel and then, oh, your birthday party comes up. And then, oh, I forgot that day. You don't even know how old you are anymore. But like, you won't probably be alive by